Have you noticed that inflation is high and interest rates are rising in most countries? The stock market is also dropping and investors are becoming worried. You can see the cost of living in your country is also going up. Cryptocurrencies are also crashing and most people are talking about recession. In this video, I'll teach you simple ways you can prepare yourself and be able to survive financially during economic recession. A recession is an economic downturn that occurs over a period of time when unemployment rises, trade and industrial activities decline. A recession typically refers to 6 or more consecutive months of economic decline. This means a country's GDP declined for 2 back-to-back quarters, indicating slower or negative economic growth. Here are some tips to protect yourself whenever a recession is coming or not. 1. Reassess your budget monthly. Evaluate your budget each and every month to see expenses that could be done away with. Are you spending too much on fashion? Cut them out. Only buy what you need and save money on the flashy things. You need to know the most important things and do them first. Look at cutting down waste and reduce your bills. Always reassess your budget. This is very important if you want to survive any economic recession. Don't waste money because it is very important. Every penny counts when it gets to a recession. Don't give any money chance. So reassess your budget and make sure that you're doing the most important things first. If you want to survive an economic recession, this is very important. 2, have an emergency fund. After cutting out some of your expenses, you need to have an emergency fund. Increase your savings budget as much as you can. At least 20 to 25% of your income should go to your savings and 30% to expenses like your bills and other important things. After cutting down your extra expenses, set up a higher automatic payment to your emergency fund. If you lose your job or have any emergency, you will have your emergency fund there to help you out. It is not too comfortable to do this, but for the sake of the future and emergencies, you have to try as much as possible to increase your savings. During the COVID-19 pandemic, lots of people lost their jobs. It is same when it comes to a recession or when a recession happens. Make sure you save enough to cushion you during bad times. So have an emergency fund and be disciplined enough to contribute to that fund. 3, pay off high interest debt. You don't want to move into a recession carrying debt. Make sure you track all your debt accounts to see how much you owe and your various interest rates. Focus on contributing more of your income to debt that holds the highest interest rate. While doing so, consider paying off tax debt accounts like educational loans to get cashback during tax season. You don't want to carry debt along with you into a recession. It is not too healthy for your finances, and this can keep you thinking and can stress you emotionally, physically, and in terms of health. So make sure you pay off or settle all your high interest debts. 4, review your investment choices. Whether your investments are doing well or not, avoid making emotional money decisions. If the market takes a turn for the worse, consider riding it out for any upswings. Reach out to trusted financial advisor before making any huge changes. Do this to avoid huge losses. Don't do any unplanned investment. So many people do this. They panic and they move into investment they are not supposed to. This can make you lose lots of money. For the fear of missing out, people jump into trades they are not supposed to, and people leave too early and end up closing their trades or their investment in losses. Make sure you review your investment choices and make smart choices. 5, invest in yourself. Use free online platforms like YouTube and expert guides to boost your knowledge and CV. Show off your skills during meetings to show your employer your value. Add every certificate you earn along the way to your resume. This will improve your eagerness to learn. Increasing your skill could in turn increase your value and earning potential. This could also help when it becomes crucial for your company to lay off workers. You can keep your job because your knowledge level and your skill level is higher than most of the employees, and this can help you be the best choice when someone will have to be maintained in your workplace. So make sure you invest in yourself. Invest some amount of money and time in yourself. Acquire new skill so that you put value on yourself. 6, learn new ways to make extra cash. So in terms of this, you need to subscribe to our channel. Click on the notification bell so that you don't miss any of such videos. Whether things are heading towards a recession or not, consider starting a passion project to bring in supplementary income. Invest time in creating an ebook, online course, or blog on a skill that you've mastered and could use to earn passive income. Directly deposit your side hustle earnings into your savings account for an extra financial cushion. So it is very important to always search for ways to make extra money. You cannot live on just one stream of income. So find extra ways to make extra cash, and this can help you cushion you in times of recession and during bad times. 7, prioritize online and in-person networking events. Master your digital and in-person networking skills by attending networking events each month. Meet with industry professionals to offer your skills. Learn from them and establish long-lasting business connections. Down the road, these connections could open up career opportunities or expert-level business advice. It is very important to network with people in your own industry so that you can also find some opportunities from them. This can help you and open you to new opportunities in terms of your career and hence boost your financial abilities. No matter the state of the economy, practicing these healthy financial strategies can help improve your budget and opportunities. Subscribe to our channel. Click on the notification bell so you don't miss any of such videos. Thank you for watching.